This is a video feedback for Dr. Sarancha, wonderful hypnotherapist and regressologist. I worked with him for the request that I had some influence on my relationship in my life with women, and he immediately made really great diagnosis and understood the place I'm coming from because I have a Jewish mother, and immediately from the story that I was telling him, he recognized some patterns that actually weren't mine. It belongs to actually my parents and especially to my mom. And Dr. Sarancha really understands the dynamic between how my mom influenced on me and how those beliefs and those influences influence my life eventually. Dr. Sarancha has a really good approach and made me understand how those beliefs actually influence in my life and what is the effect my mother has on me and how to deal with that in a healthy way. So first of all, we actually went and found the source. When is that happened? How is that happened? How is that formed? And then I understood how it affected my life and I was able to change it. And after we did this wonderful process with Dr. Sarancha, I was able to, I actually knew, and Dr. Sarancha gave me guidance how actually to proceed next. How can I talk with my mother next? How to maintain healthy relationship with her? Because eventually I know that everybody doing the best they can, and actually everybody wants, their pure intention is to do good. But sometimes there are things that people don't understand why and how. And Dr. Sarancha really made it clear, and that's why I really grateful for the process I went through and how Dr. Sarancha helped me to improve my relationship with myself, with general my relationship, and relationship with my mom, which previously was good, but now it's even better, and it doesn't have the influences that it had before, because at the moment I know where and how in a nice way to put boundaries and how to take more responsibility, how I think and what I do, and actually I'm more aware now uh, how to act in life. So thank you, Dr. Sarancha. Really recommend you to connect with him if you have any queries how to improve your life. Thank you.